Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños, cumpleaños, cumpleaños feliz.
Good morning. Good morning, motherfucker. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, motherfucker. Good morning. Good morning. Route machine. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Fuck do I want to even say? Sorry I'm late. No, the fuck I'm not. Welcome back to the Hamptons, bitch. Long time no see. Happy fucking Memorial Day. We have a dinner party for 14. Dinner for 8. We have crabs. Cook a vegan dish today. Let's get started. We're gonna cook this big ass fucking steak and crab cakes from Martha Stewart. Steak frites. Octopus. Rib lasagna, motherfucker. Surf and turf. My way.
Good evening. It's Olivia Tiedeman's Ricky Red 20th birthday, and to commemorate that, I'm gonna show you how to cook mozzarella sticks from TGI Fridays, exactly how they cook it in the restaurants to commemorate her Ricky Red 20th birthday as the only cooking video you're gonna give for season 4 of Winter Wonderland before we tell Winter to get the fuck out of here next weekend to make room for season 4. Spring is in the air, and season 5 of Fun in the Sun. Or should I say, voila. Bien provecho. Feliz cumpleaños, Olivia. All right, for the greatest chef of all time for her, Ricky Rudd year, Bodine, Schumberdine, Rudd. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Olivia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Olivia Tiedemann, Ricky Rudd, 28 years old.
Fuck you! Is it hot in here or is it just your menopause?
My eyes feel like